Welcome back, vacationers, on another video. About 2 months ago, I was scavenging the corners of YouTube and I found myself on this space that I did not know existed. And that's the credit card point space. And let me tell you, I was hooked. I started watching all the videos I could of all the different credit cards and all the different strategies of how these YouTubers gathered all these points to have these amazing travel experiences. I wanted it. Understand that this will be a game changer for me, especially for me on this YouTube channel where I travel a lot. Let's pump the brakes real quick because there are a few hurdles and things we need to know in order to achieve what we want out of this space. A little bit more about that later. For now, let's talk about how this actually works. So usually how it works is that banks like these and other lenders have different types of credit card products for you to apply for, which then you use said card to make transactions with. Thank you very much. You too. So then that same transaction gets converted into a point. Now each lender is different and they have their own point system, but then you can redeem those points for travel or for rewards. For example, the transaction that I just did was a dining one. Because of that, I get 3 times the points. And listen, there is a plethora of credit cards with different rewards and perks that you can get from, with different categories from travel to cash back. For example, the credit card that I started my journey with is the Sapphire Preferred, which is considered a mid-level travel card where all its perks and spending categories are catered to travel. And when I say there's a plethora, that's not an understatement. There's so many lenders that put out credit cards every single year. This may seem easy, but it's not. Well, I mean the transactional part, yeah, sure. But banks aren't stupid. Their whole purpose is to make money out of you and me. So we have to be very smart how we go about this and how do we strategize. Because you can apply for any credit card you want. Doesn't mean you get approved. And if you get denied, guess what? That's going to hit your credit score. And your credit score and your credit history plays the most crucial part in this whole ecosystem because that's what they look at. And based off that are the credit cards that are going to be available to you. Not only that, but the specific credit cards you want to apply based on the different strategy you use. It's important because every single lender is different and they have different policies. For example, Chase has a 524 rule, which says if you apply for 5 cards within a 24 months, the next card you apply with will automatically be denied. Now, I want you to keep that in mind because that's going to play a huge role in my next video when it comes to my roadmap of the different credit cards I apply for. But if you want to see that video, make sure to like and subscribe as it helps out this channel immensely. Ultimately, I just want to get to Japan and I want to do it in first class. This has been on my bucket list for a very long time. And with these credit card points, I could do it. You could do it. Additionally, I also want to use these points to be able to book experiences, resorts, anything I can within the Orlando area, including Disney World and Universal Studios. We could do this, and these credit card points are a feasible way to getting this if done right. But what do y'all think? Am I going crazy? Am I bugging? Or are you guys on board? Comment down below and let me know. Until the next trip, stay safe.